Chef Pankaj Badoya. Did you know you could enjoy some yummy curry during the Navratris as well? I'm going to teach you how you can do a Kuttu ke aate ki curry. I'm going to take about a teaspoon of peanut oil, moongfali ka tel, in a pan, to which I'm going to add about half a teaspoon of jeera, yani cumin seeds. As the cumin seeds start to splutter, I'm going to add to it some finely chopped green chilies, and also along with that I'm going to add some finely chopped ginger, 1 teaspoon. I'm going to just saute these for a minute. To this I'm going to add about half a cup of water, and I'll allow the water to come to a boil. Meanwhile, what I am going to do is, I'm going to take some Kuttu ka atta or buckwheat flour. I have over here 2 tablespoons of heaped tablespoons of buckwheat flour, yani ki Kuttu ka atta ya rajgir ka atta, to which I'm adding 500 ml of buttermilk. Mix it well. Once I have a lump-free paste, I'm going to add this to my pan where the water is already boiling, and I'm going to keep whisking it till the whole thing comes to a boil. Once this mixture comes to a boil, I'm going to set this aside to simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes till it begins to thicken up. And meanwhile, I'm going to make my pakoras for the curry. For the Kuttu pakoras, I have some chopped potatoes over here, about a cupful of them. To this, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of Kuttu ka atta or buckwheat flour, heaped like this. To this, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, some finely chopped coriander, some finely chopped green chilies, Sena namak or rock salt. I'm going to mix these together, add a little water, I'm going to drop spoonfuls of this mixture into hot oil to fry my pakoras. Once my pakoras are golden brown in color, I'm going to remove them. My pakora is ready. My curry also simmering. All I need to do is add the pakoras to the curry. To this, I'm also going to now add some rock salt or Sena namak. Finally, I'm going to garnish it with some chopped coriander. The curry is done. I can't wait to taste it. So let's quickly get it out in a bowl. Waiting to try this out.